Hi there, students. Rhapsody, a noun. I think both countable and uncountable. Let's see, I think you're probably most likely to encounter this word meaning ecstatic bliss, when you're really happy. So he went into rhapsodies about the beauty of the scenery of the place that he'd been on holiday. So he described it in fantastic words, and he said that it was absolutely incredible. Okay, so effusive enthusiasm, yeah, when you're expressing something, yeah, almost like to go off into a dream of ecstasy, yeah, extreme rapture and joy, a trance of happiness. So yeah, he was in rhapsody about the present that I had given him. He described the flowers in a rhapsody of words. Now notice sometimes this word rhapsody gives the idea that the person is going too far. They're just going a bit over the top. Yeah. So they're just using too many exaggerated, enthusiastic words. Yeah. You may well also come across this word in music. For example, a rhapsody in blue, or a rhapsody by Rachmaninoff. This is normally a composition or a piece of music that it's rather irregular, and often it has a bit of improvisation as well. But so he was in rhapsody about this. He was ecstatically happy. He was in rhapsody listening to the Rhapsody. Okay, so there you've got both of it. You could even just about use it to talk about a literary work. I think probably that's too old-fashioned for nowadays. Okay, so if you're in rhapsody about something, you feel really strongly about it. You are incredibly enthusiastic, but maybe you're going over the top. And then a rhapsody, this piece of music that it doesn't have a formal structure, and maybe it's trying to express powerful, strong feelings as well. Okay, so rhapsody, it's talking about extreme happiness, yeah, effusive rapture and happiness and ecstasy about something. So he was in rhapsodies about the girl's beauty, yeah, but maybe sometimes going over the top as well. So formality, I think I'm going to give it a 6.5. I think 6. I think you could just about use it in an informal conversation. It sounds rather artistic, rather literary, but I guess you could just about use it informally. Better in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, in something literary would sound great. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin rhapsodia, which is a piece of a poem or an epic poem that is good to recite, to say out loud to a group of people. And that itself comes from ancient Greek rhapsodia, which is an epic poem or a recitation of epic poetry. So I hope this video has left you in rhapsodies. Yeah, I hope you are in rhapsody about the quality of my explanation. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. bye for now. Rhapsody.